Hello, dears. Welcome to my garden kitchen this time. Did you know you can make soup from lettuce? And it's actually delicious? Come along with me, and I'll share my recipe with you. It fills me with such joy to welcome you to my garden. These are my lettuces. Let's pull one out. Come on now, don't be shy. Look at this big, tender beauty. It looks like something from outer space. Lettuce needs to be washed very carefully because dirt tends to hide around the roots. First, I cut off the root and then rinse every leaf thoroughly. Once that's done, I let the leaves drain well. Oh no, you just caught a glimpse of my cute pink Crocs. I'm going to use a big bowl of lettuce, which is about the same as 1 or 2 heads of store-bought iceberg or butterhead. We'll also need about 15 medium potatoes. My mom always used to cut the potatoes right in her hand like this, so now I'm going to teach you that little trick too. Sure, the cubes turn out pretty big this way, but hey, I'm cooking for men, and they like it hearty. And while we're at it, meet our new kitten. Still nameless. What would you call them? Let me know in the comments. Let's add a spoonful of salt to the potatoes and start cooking them. We'll throw in a clove of garlic too. In the meantime, let's make the red roux. Pour enough oil into a small pot to cover the bottom. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Keep stirring and cook it until it turns a soft pinkish color. For any soup that isn't red to begin with, like tomato soup, I always use this red roux. It gives the soup such a lovely color. That's why I add 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika to the roux. Once the paprika is in, turn off the heat. Now pour some cold water into the pot, and your roux is ready to go. Let's check on the potatoes. Are they done yet? Let's fish one out and poke it with a fork. If it's soft, it's cooked. This takes about 15 minutes. Time for the lettuce. I like to tear it in by hand. No need to chop it, it'll wilt and lose its shape anyway. They don't call this scrappy soup for nothing. I added a whole lot of lettuce. You can barely fit the lid on the pot. But as I mentioned, the lettuce will cook down soon. I give it a stir to make sure all the leaves cook evenly. Oh, a deserter. Get back in the pot. Once everything's stirred in nicely, I pour in the red roux. I like to use a strainer so I don't end up with flour lumps in the soup. Add about 100 milliliters, a splash of cream. Once it starts to bubble again, it's done. Turn off the heat and splash in a bit of vinegar to finish. Bon appétit! Give this video a like if you love cooking with fresh ingredients from the garden. I have many more tasty recipes coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe. Have a lovely day. With love, Blondie.